Hello everyone, Chance Fuller here from the Elkhart location with a Tech Tuesday I think we can all relate to. In the midst of a global pandemic, we've all had to change how we work. Face-to-face meetings are down and virtual everything is way up. And for that reason, we have some tech tips that, while they're not groundbreaking, we hope they can save you some time while you're working, either from the office or from home. Let's start off with two tips that go hand in hand. Copy and paste. If you're like me, you're copying and pasting constantly. But instead of highlighting and right-clicking, all you need to do is highlight whatever you want to copy, press Ctrl-C shortcut, that'll copy it whatever you have to your clipboard, and then go to wherever you want to paste and press Ctrl-V. This will allow you to paste multiple times and paste rather quickly rather than highlighting and right-clicking and using your mouse. Now, if you need to highlight a lot, the easiest way to do that is another shortcut, Ctrl-A. Ctrl-A will highlight everything and you can copy and paste that exactly like you would anything else. Now these next tips involve your internet browser, Google Chrome. We've all been working on the internet and shut something out that we didn't mean to. Well, luckily, you can get that back by restoring the tab. Unluckily, you may not get everything that you were working on back, so what we're going to do is we're going to try to prevent this from happening. One way to combat this is by right-clicking on your tab and you can pin it. And what pinning it means is essentially you are locking that tab until you are done with it and unlock it, it cannot be thrown away. So next time you're working on something important, make sure you pin that tab. Now this next tip is probably my favorite. Google Chrome allows you to sign in and get all of your settings, favorites, bookmarks on any device no matter where you are. All you need is a Gmail account. Next time you go to a new device, sign on into that. All of your things will come flooding right back and it'll be just like you're working from your own device. My last tip for you today is just going to be browsing the Google Chrome Web Store. Now what the Web Store is a collection of apps and add-ons that can help improve your internet life. Whatever you need, even if you didn't know you needed, there's probably an add-on for it. Anything from grammar checkers to check your work email, to ad blockers to stop pop-ups from annoying you whenever you go to a website. So I hope one of these tips today can help you at least in some way, maybe streamline some of your work and make your work experience a little easier. So everyone stay safe, and please tune in next week where we'll go over the pros and cons of the Windows 10. So be sure to check back.